Good afternoon, students. Today, common subject. Last class we are studied what topic? Hindu undivided family. Hindu undivided family. Two or more families agree to live and work together. That is Hindu undivided family. Next one, some characteristics. Contractual relationship. Next one, new topic, partnership. Partnership means two or more person joining together. That is partnership. Indian Partnership Act 1932. This is important one word. Indian Partnership Act 1931. Okay, students. Today we are discuss about one new topic is registration of firm. Registration of firm or registration of partnership. Registration of partnership. The Indian Partnership Act does not make the registration of partnership is compulsory. Partnership Act 1932, Indian Partnership Act is partnership is compulsory registration. Olden days only some friends means to together starting the business means only oral agreement only. But nowadays Partnership Act compulsory, that partnership small scale or large scale or medium scale, that compulsory registration is must only. Registration is optional. Registration is optional means that olden days only. Nowadays registration only secure the business, protect the business, protect the partnership, partners protection. Only registration, only partners protection. But the disabilities of non-registration actually make it is compulsory. Some procedures of registration. A state should be prepared a starting the following particulars. First one is name of the firm. Registration procedure first, name of the firm. Name of the firm means some industry name. Some industry name means Rajan and Co. Some tiles company, some cotton industry, anything else. One, some industry name first you registered. Second one, the principal place of business. The principal of place of business. Which place you started your business? Which product you produce your business? Next one, name of other place where the firm carried on business. Some business is started in one district to one. Some business started in Kanjipuram district, but registered to Sengalpad or some other district. Name and address of all are the partners. Name and address, all partners' name and address and full profile compulsory registered. The date on which each partner joining the firm. Which date the joining the partner joining date is compulsory. Joining date is compulsory. Next one, this is statement signed by all partners should be proceed the registration of the firm along with the necessary registration fee. Any change of above a particular must be communicated the register within 14 days such alteration. Suppose any changes means within 14 days inform to who? Register. Some changes means some partners or partnership name or firm name, some address. Change means you inform to within 14 days. Next one, drawback of non-registration of firm. Drawback. Drawback means some demerits. Drawback. No register to file suit against others. An unregistered firm cannot file a suit to enforce its claim against the third party. It is such rise out of the contract. For example, no court action is possible to recover debts from third party. It has a no rights even to demand and set off any suit filed by its creation. Some registration firm not registered means that a partnership is recover the debts in third party. Some cheatings. Cheating means some partners, the partnership means two or more person to joining together is partnership. All partners, any one partnership and other outside of debt and recover to the third parties means this problem automatically created means why you problem create means that our partnership is not registered. You registered means you recover your debts or a third parties or you file a court your action, but this firm is not registered. Right is sued to right a arising. However, it can sue others of enforcing a rights arising otherwise than out of a contract. For example, it can bring a suit for wrongful infringement to trademark of patents. Some partnership is trademark and patents mean trademark means that symbol, patent, that company name, but company name is one name is registered but another name is partners agreement. That is cheating, but company writes in another name but register is another one name. Next one, right to third parties to sue the firm. The rights of third parties against the firm are not affected by non-registration. It means that they can sue the firm or any of its partners. The partners of unregistered firm cannot sue to the firm or other partners enforcing its rights under the partnership deed. However, his rights to sue for the dissolution of the firm or the account or dissolved the firm or his share of the assets or dissolved firm is not affected by non-registration. The firm non-registration means automatically some partners is some particular duration period completed or off period only completed, but full duration period not completed means some partners is partnership with dissolved. Dissolved means remove to partnership, out to partnership, and some partnership firm and assets, share of the asset or dissolved firm affected is totally is non-registered firm means automatically anytime partnership anytime partners dissolve in partnership. Any non-registration firm means automatically partners the duration period not completed may not complete that time off time or some monthly some year only complete in some partnership to dissolve the some partners. Next, suit existing ₹100. The rights of the firm of partners of firm have no place of the business in India. Having no place of in India. India is so much of business only in running nowadays only in running in shares. Shares is some shares is compulsory. Some financial situation balance only in company 49% in releasing shares. 49% releasing in shares. 49% releasing, 51% is a board of director control. 49 only public subscribe, issued only 49% shares. Next one, the power of official signed or receiving to release the property of an insolvent partners. Some partners is suddenly business is mentally or psychologically affected, means that partners or share our property is released. That time partnership totally some imbalanced, some affected. Suit arising the otherwise then out of the contract or explained above. The rights of third parties against the firm or any of its partners. Third parties against the firm or any of its partners. The third party means who? Which is third party? Third party means some persons only investment, but some person only investment only, but others not not interfere in business activities, not interfere in business activities. That person is third party. Next one, rights of third party against the firm any partners sued by partners for dissolution the firm for account a dissolved firm or for the shares in the assets of dissolved firm as a stated above. Dissolved means what? Dissolved means the partnership remove the partner. That time is dissolution, dissolved out. That person problem is dissolution. Okay, students, listen students, this question very important question. This lesson, registration of partnership and drawback of non-registration firm. Everybody, you thorough this question. Okay, students, next one class, next one new topic.